Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 6. Today we are going to cover the jQuery basics syntax, that why we are using this $sign, why we are using on, ready or something like that. So you have to familiar with them before using the jQuery syntax. So first of all, the basic jQuery syntax. The jQuery syntax is tailor-made for selecting HTML elements and performing some actions on that element. So the basic $sign and your selector and then your action. Okay, so that means this is your ready, on click or click, submit and on, and we have going to discuss a lot of actions in this series. This $sign means to define access jQuery, okay, the selector to query or find HTML content. Where is the HTML content, and the jQuery actions to be performed at action. So like for suppose if you are saying that, oh please hide the all paragraphs, so how can you do that? These are the paragraphs for suppose. Okay, for suppose you have your iframe and you want to hide this iframe, and now I'm saying when the DOM is ready, document dot ready, and this is, I'm saying this is the function. That means this is the jQuery syntax and this is the selector. We are selecting all the document, and this is the action. The ready is the actions. Now I'm saying when the DOM is ready, then hide the iframe. How can I hide this? jQuery syntax, your selector goes here. For suppose I'm saying hide all the iframes, because I'm using the element selector. So I'm saying all the iframe and just add the hide function or just add the hide action. Okay, now add your semicolon, go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, when your DOM is ready, it's automatically hiding your elements. Okay, if I'm saying that I have a button, whenever someone click on this button, for suppose I have only one button and only one iframe, I'm saying click me to hide, for suppose. And now I'm saying that whenever someone click on this, I'm saying whenever someone click on the function, button, this is a jQuery and this is the selector. I'm saying whenever someone click on this button, then this is the action, because I'm saying whenever someone click on this button, what I need, just I'm calling anonymous function that I'm saying, oh please find the iframe and hide them. Okay, that means find the iframe, all the iframe, and hide them. Just refresh the page. As you can see, this is the iframe and this is your button. Click on this. As you can see, it's hiding the iframe. If you have multiple iframes, for suppose if you have more than one iframe, so 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4, and this is the 5 iframes. Okay, so now I'm saying whenever someone click the button, because we have a single button, find all the iframes and hide them. Click on this. As you can see, it's hiding all the iframes. So you can create your class selector. We will discuss about the selectors in related lectures, but for now this is the basic syntax of the jQuery. So jQuery works. So as you know that you have to place all your jQuery code inside the ready. So that's why we are using the ready action. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for